Look, with sister. Here's mommy. Look, here's mommy. There's sister.
Hello, little mate.
Originally thought tigers can't climb. As you can see, they are variable climbers.
Dreamworld. The park's about to open at 10:30, so everyone's all lining up, getting ready to go in. Oh look, there's Legoland.
Legoland.
Oh look, little turtles.
Look, turtles. Oh, they've been in here for ages.
Can you
Look
see
at all the
them?
moss.
Oh,
Hi, kangaroos. Kangaroos.
cute. Come, my darling. Okay.
Crocodile. Oh, it's upside down. Why is it doing that? Why is it hanging?
Resting, darling.
It's
Part of the same family. Is it
Ew,
turtle?
he's gonna eat worm. That's his own best friend, Charlotte.
They look like they're from the same family.
Charlotte.
Oh look! Look at this.
Gotcha.
Look at this. I don't know what that's called. It's like a bloody dog.
Gotcha.
What's he got?
Oh, finger. I'm gonna call him finger. I think it's a painting.
What is
Is
this?
this a painting?
It looks like a painting, but he goes, gotcha!
So I think it's oh, what is it? So I'm gonna call. Daddy, imagine the pink DC hypercoaster, but like they have that thing and you go up, but then you go backwards. That would be super scary.
Okay, let's go to Spike. Look, with sister. Here's mommy. Look, here's mommy. There's sister. So where's the money, my darling?
looking. Daddy, can I film?
What's he doing, Danny?
I think it's having a look. I think he's having a drink of water. I bet he pooped in that pool.
What's he doing? He's having a little lie down.
A bath.
Look at him. Look at him.
No, he's looking at the camera. The bath. God!
Hello, little mate.
Oh my God.
I'll go around.
Nina, this way, Bob.
It's a big one. Nina, this way down. I would like to hear, in your loudest voices, who out there wants to see a tiger climb this tree? You guys are in luck today. We have one of our best tree climbers. I'm not talking about Daniel over there, I'm talking about Khan. So get your cameras ready and focused on that climbing pole. He usually doesn't muck around. Was originally thought tigers can't climb. But as you can see, they are variable climbers. Guys, let's give it up for Khan. That was amazing. So that's about an 8 or 9 metre pole, and I think that he did that in about 3 and a bit stride, so pretty impressive stuff. And this is what makes Khan one of our best tree climbers. He has the sense of mind to shimmy all the way down to a nice safe distance before he lets go. And it's really up to Dan whenever he's ready. Hopefully a nice big jump to the air, so get your cameras ready and focused on that log just in front of Khan. Here we go, nice big jump! Guys, that was pretty impressive. We'll give him a nice big clap for that one. Alright, we're not quite done yet. One more behaviour, guys. Hopefully Khan's going to show you how he's our scuba cut for this afternoon. Now normally we like to let that piece of chicken sink to the bottom, but he's super keen, guys.
He's like, where is it?